Hi, I'm Rick Schutte, the broker-owner of Caldwell Banker Cucci Real Estate here in Oak Harbor. And today we're with Lynn Bankowski. Lynn is the senior mortgage originator with Alaska USA Mortgage Company here in Oak Harbor. Lynn, we just really welcome you and thank you for being here.
Thank you, Rick.
I keep hearing all of this, the sky is falling, interest rates are going sky high. Lynn, why don't you give us the perspective of a good mortgage lender about what's happening in the mortgage market right now? What's
Sure.
happening with interest rates?
Sure. So rates have ticked up a bit, but if you look at them historically, they're still quite low.
Yes, they are.
And rates are very active. They're very volatile. So what's happening is that mortgage-backed securities are traded, and those trades move on economic data, things that are happening in the world, things here in the United States. So they're constantly moving.
Lot of variables in it.
Lots of variables in there. That's absolutely right. So again, though they are still quite low, and an excellent opportunity to get in and start looking at mortgages.
So even though they're clicking up, they seem to go up and down, and they're moving continually. Is that right?
That's right, they're live. So for example, where I work at Alaska USA Mortgage Company, we have live pricing. So I can price a loan in the morning, and by the afternoon, if the market has changed, I'm going to be getting a different price for that particular product.
So how does your customer know what kind of interest rate they're going to have? And is interest rate really the main thing they should be concerned about anyway?
Actually, there's several different components, and I'm really glad you brought that up. So rates are actually very personalized. So if you're looking, for example, on the internet, they're going to give you a generalization, or if you're watching the news and they're talking about rates, they're going to give you a generalization.
Everything's true on the internet.
That's right, everything's true. It's not regulated. So what you'll find is that you need to get a personalized rate quote to make sure that you're getting the most accurate information for you, because there are 26 elements that go into the calculation of a personalized rate.
When we hear 4% or 4.5% interest rate, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to apply to me. We should come and sit down with somebody and say, what are the factors? What am I buying?
No, that's absolutely correct.
Okay.
Because it is very personalized. So, one person may find that rates are quite a bit higher because maybe they don't have as good a credit history.
Right.
Maybe they're buying an apartment building versus a single family residence. So you really want to keep things in perspective and find out how those rates are impacting you individually.
So I think what I'm hearing from you today is that, yes, interest rates have clicked up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
They're still historically low.
Yes.
The rate isn't going to be fixed for everybody. It's going to be different for different people. And so they need to come and see a mortgage professional. What are you seeing in the market? I mean, you're on the loan side, we're on the sales side. We're seeing stability in inventory. We're seeing lower interest rates. So I'm thinking the market's good.
I'm thinking the market's good as well. We're seeing a lot more purchases come through the office. A lot more folks are interested and exciting and really engaged in finding either that first home, a move-up home, an investment property, or something of that nature.
Great.
So we're definitely seeing it as well.
Great. Well, Lynn, I want to say thank you. We want to thank you for viewing. You'll see in the bottom of this video underneath in the description, there'll be a link to Lynn's website. There'll be a link to our website should you have any questions. And we'll keep you informed. Thank you.